Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to help you expand your English vocabulary today. Our word of the day is email. What is email? Well, simply put, email is a verb, and it means to send a message online. It's like writing a letter, but instead of putting it in the mailbox, you send it through the internet. We use email every day to communicate with friends, family, and colleagues. It's a super common word and very important to understand. Now, let's think about some words that mean almost the same thing as email, some synonyms. One synonym is send. For example, instead of saying I will email you the document, you could say I will send you the document. See how that works? Another synonym is transmit. You might hear this more in a professional setting. For instance, I will transmit the report via email. Or even, please transmit your application by 5 p.m. And another related word you could use is forward. This one is specifically for when you are sending on an email that you have already received. For example, I will forward you the details, means you're sending the email to them. Now, let's put these synonyms in a few more sentences so you can see them in action. She sent me an email yesterday. The company will transmit the information securely using email. Can you forward me that email with the address? So now that we know what email means and some words we can use instead, let's think about words that have the opposite meaning, antonyms. These words describe how we send messages in ways that aren't through email. One antonym for email is receive. Email means to send, while receive means to get something. For instance, I emailed the application compared to I received the application. Another antonym is write. While you email a message, you write the words first. For example, I need to write an email to my boss. Also, another antonym, although not directly related to sending the message, could be delete. You email a message, but you might later delete it. For example, I accidentally deleted the email. Let's use these antonyms in more sentences. I received your email this morning. He is writing an email to the client right now. Please don't delete that email. I need it later. Okay, so now you know what email means, you know some synonyms and some antonyms. How do we use email in everyday life? Well, you can say things like, did you get my email? This is a common question to ask if you're waiting for someone to see something you sent. You can also say, I'll email it to you right away, meaning you'll send it very soon. You might also say, check your email, to remind someone to look for a message. Here are a few more examples of email in sentences and phrases. I emailed him about the meeting. Please send me an email with your contact information. The confirmation will be emailed to you shortly. Is there an email address I can use to contact you? I get so many emails every day. Let's email each other the details. I need to respond to that email later. The email bounced back, meaning the address was incorrect. She attached the document to the email. He forgot to email the report, so it was late. I'm waiting for an email from the university. I prefer to email rather than call. My email inbox is always full. I sent you an email with the directions. Please confirm by email that you will attend. I'll email you the presentation slides after the meeting. I check my email multiple times a day. Is it okay if I email you the invoice? I received a phishing email today. He signed off the email with best regards. She often sends emails late at night. The company uses email for all internal communication. I need to update my email signature. I forward important emails to a separate folder. I set up an out-of-office message on my email. I archive old emails to keep my inbox clean. That's it for today's word, email. We learned that email means to send a message online, some synonyms like send, transmit, and forward, and some antonyms like receive, write, and delete. Remember to use email in your everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. Now, Here's your challenge for today. Create your own sentence using the word email and share it as a comment under this podcast episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Goodbye for now and happy learning.